Your brain, weighing about 3 pounds, consumes roughly 20% of your body's total oxygen and calories. This incredibly efficient organ generates enough electrical power to light a small LED bulb, even during sleep. The human brain contains around 86 billion neurons, more than the number of stars in our galaxy, the Milky Way. Information travels through your brain at speeds up to 268 miles per hour, making it faster than an F1 race car. Interestingly, while the brain processes pain signals, the brain itself has no pain receptors, meaning it cannot feel pain. Your brain's memory capacity is virtually limitless, estimated by some scientists to be equivalent to 2.5 petabytes. That's enough to store 3 million hours of TV shows, meaning you'd need over 300 years to watch it all. Even in old age, the brain can still grow new neurons, a process called neurogenesis, challenging old beliefs. Dreams are essentially your brain's way of processing emotions, consolidating memories, and rehearsing scenarios. Despite its complexity, the human brain is still one of the most mysterious frontiers in scientific exploration.